Corrosion leads to billions of dollars in losses every year, and solving this problem is an important task. Corrosion is the spontaneous destruction of metals and alloys as a result of interaction with the environment. Metal losses, including the mass of failed metal structures, products, and equipment, account for 10 to 20% of annual steel production. Corrosion is one of the most common causes of bridge accidents. Corrosion damage and costs in the United States and Germany account for approximately 3% of the GDP. Russia's annual losses from corrosion reach about 4% of GDP. Corrosion leads to terrible environmental disasters. The accident at the Komi Neft oil pipeline in August of 1994 in the Komi Republic resulted in the loss of 500,000 barrels of crude oil. As a result, 115 hectares were polluted. This disaster was the largest in the last 20 years, not only in the territory of the Komi Republic, but also throughout the country. PSS Corporation knows how to overcome corrosion. Back in 1993, a company was established that today provides turnkey supply of corrosion protection equipment. Complex technological solutions and ensuring sustainable development are the result of coordinated work of the structural divisions of the PSS Corporation. Let's see how this complex mechanism works. The company Eurasiastroy, which is a part of the PSS Corporation, designs complexes for corrosion protection and offers the customer options for suitable solutions. This option is entered as an order in electronic database by the sales department specialist, and then goes to the technical department to check all the technical requirements of the client. Then the order is automatically distributed to the production division of the PSS Corporation, to the Anode Oil and Gas Equipment Plant, and to the Raduga Electronic Operation, and in special cases to PSS Engineering. This is a development department that creates innovative and non-standard solutions for software engineering solutions and chemical compositions. Thanks to the well-built production system of the PSS Corporation, which is based on a pooling system and an electronic control tool, semi-finished products are produced and finished products are assembled. Finished products, through internal logistics, are transferred to the main warehouse for shipment to the customer. PSS Logistics, a company that is part of the PSS Corporation, has its own fleet of vehicles to deliver the order to the client's facility, after which Eurasiastroy rejoins the process, assembling and installing equipment at the facility. It is also engaged in warranty and post-warranty maintenance of equipment. Thus, the finished equipment manufactured by the PSS Corporation that prevents corrosion is installed at nuclear power plants, oil and gas complexes, seaports, and ships. We find a comprehensive solution for various industries, for the Navy and nuclear power plants, ports, chemical plants, and housing and utilities. The highest quality of the products, works, and services is achieved by the fact that the basis of technological processes is the production system of PSS based on the principle of Kaizen. This is an effective practice for continuous improvement of all production and management processes. Our equipment is included in the official registers of major industry companies. Our products are used in such companies as Gazprom, Tatneft, Lukoil, Transneft, Bashneft, Sibur, Rosneft. Many of our patents for equipment, and there are currently more than 70 of them, have no world analogs and are supported and protected by our specialists. Such structures of the PSS Corporation as the International Exchange for Commercialization of Innovation and the Union of Inventors actively contribute to the development of breakthrough innovations. For example, in 2012 it held the first Russian patent auction in Moscow, and in 2016 it represented Russia abroad in the topic Innovative Cooperation of the CIS countries. The desire to make our world cleaner and the belief in success is the basis of our leadership in electrochemical protection in Russia and CIS. We provide deliveries all over the world to the Russian Federation, CIS countries, and far abroad. Our partners include well-known global corporations such as Schlumberger, Intergas, Central Asia, and Toyota. Constantly improving and having qualified personnel, we launch new innovative areas such as neural network, training simulators, virtual and augmented reality. A rich corporate life creates a sense of collective and industrial solidarity. This social policy of the corporation's management is aimed at making employees feel meaningful about their own activities and fullness of life. Working in a team, you can always achieve more. There is what the corporation has been doing for a quarter of a century. There is every reason to say that the PSS Corporation today is a corporation of the future.